the original San Francisco Bay ended right here on First Street. So this is a natural cove. So if you go down the basement, you're actually sitting on the beach of San Francisco. So that's a very unique aspect. What you see also about this project is that it's got a very large floor plate. This is about double what you're seeing right here on this side. It's about one of your typical San Francisco floors. Okay? You get two of that in this building. And additionally, you're on a raised floor. So you're going to be actually standing, your floor is going to be that height there. So all your air conditioning, your electrical, it's all under the floor. So this is your finished ceiling. I mean, you're going to have obviously some lights and things up there, but you have this finished white concrete, which is a very unique feature of an office building, especially here in the CBD. And then, obviously what we here, this is Foundry Square. It's the last of the four buildings. It was a master plan in 2000. We acquired the site a year and a half ago and then started construction. So we put our little tweaks of doing the green wall downstairs. Additionally, you're going to have this Foundry lounge area that we're going to be doing. And then there's some other minor modifications in terms of the floor, but it's pretty technical. But it's a very unique opportunity here, and we think you guys are really going to like it here. Hope everything goes well. So we can go ahead and walk around the floor.
Now, one thing that we weren't pointing out is we're planning a stairway between two floors down that end. Can you point that out?
Yeah. So, well, there's kind of this is the 4 through 5 one is over there. The 1 through 2 and 3 you're going to have over
That's,
here.
yeah, the 4 through 5 ones.
4 through 5.
It's on
yeah.
this side of it.
So, what? Yeah, so be erased. So, guys, what you see over here. So another unique aspect about these projects are that that's post-tension concrete, right? So this tile allows you to have these open canvases without any structural support. That one the wire, it's kind of like a mandolin, where you have one little slices. That's already good wiring right through the floor side. No. So this is one area where you can have the stairwell. This is where all the stuff is. It's very good spots. This one right over there. You guys have on 2 and 3. Yeah.
Did you say we were going to be raised up?
Yeah, so your finished floor is going to be the same height over there. Yeah.
And this is a stairwell to 50?
This was, yeah, that's where you guys are looking right now.
We're actually looking at
Yep, that's what you guys are looking at right now, yeah? So your basic finished floor is on top of that windowsill.
Oh, wow.
So what you still have is 13 feet, your typical office ceiling heights, right? So from the floor to the ceiling